If you want to get paid daily with just one single source, that you are in the right video. You will not promote or sell anything. It is easier than that. You can be a beginner and join for absolutely free and also from anywhere in the world. In order to make it work properly, you just need to make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial and you can get every instruction right. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, make sure to just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So we are going to get you notified each time we upload brand new strategies, just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to ask me any question about this video, just leave a comment down below. With that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything, and make sure to stay tuned till the end because I'm also going to give you some tips and tricks so you can maximize your results. So your very first step is of course to go over to the source that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which is called Zoombucks. This is over at zoombucks.com. As you can see, you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV and doing offers. So this is like your typical make money online website, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and also how to make money with it. If you scroll down, you're going to see how it works first of all. So advertisers want engagement for their surveys, products, services, and they come here to get their engagement. And so Zoombox is going to recruit members just like you that want to get paid by doing some online activities like taking surveys, completing offers and so on, and you're going to get paid with cash and also gift cards by doing so. As you can see, you have a lot of rewards from PlayStation gift cards, Xbox gift cards and so on. If you click on see all rewards, you're also going to notice that they offer you PayPal money. So back to their homepage, you're also going to notice a live feed down here with people getting paid again and again every single minute, and they're getting paid through their preferred payment method but also from anywhere in the world. As you can notice, there are people from France, Brazil, Germany, Italy, India and so on getting paid again and again by completing those activities. So down here you're going to notice that this platform has been around since 2012, which shows that this is a legit platform that has been around for a lot of years now. And also, as you may know, most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time, but this one has been around for 10 years, which shows that this is a legit one. And if you want to, you can also check out the reviews on Trustpilot. As you can see, you can click on it, it's going to take you over to Trustpilot. You're going to see that they got like almost 600 of reviews with 4.6 stars out of 5, which is pretty good, and it means that most of the people have rated it as excellent. So back to their homepage, what I want you to do right now, of course, is to create an account for absolutely free. As you can see over here, you need to put an email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button. After that, they are going to ask you for some other information like your address. They are going to detect your country automatically. You need to put your city, an address, a zip code and so on, and after that you're going to just sign up, and you can even do this automatically actually if you don't want to do that manually with Facebook and Google, and it's going to be with just one click of a button. So once you create your account, you'll be able to get access to your dashboard. And before I show you that, I want to mention that if you are liking this video till now, just make sure to give it a thumbs up to support me and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. So once you create your account, of course, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. You're going to see up here your balance. It says $0 right now because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to show you how it works. You're going to see first of all this my account section over here, and underneath it you have the about me section. I want you to click on this because it's very important, and after that it's going to take you over to this page. You're going to see that by doing this, by completing these questions over here, demographic questions, you're going to get 500 points, but also it's going to increase your chances of being matched with a survey, and you'll be able to even unlock new surveys because most of them need to know background of yours in order to be able to just give you some surveys to complete. So it's very important that once you create your account to complete this about me section, with some demographic question. And once you do that, you'll be able to get even more surveys that you can complete, and this means even more money. So another thing I want to mention that you need to complete once you create your account is your profile. You need to complete it by putting also the payment method. For example, you need to put your PayPal email if you want to get paid in PayPal money. And after you do all of this, it's time for you to just do those online activities in order to get some points that you can redeem for rewards. So what you can do, for example, is to go over to surveys. You can click over here or even click on more surveys here on your dashboard, on your homepage. You're going to see that for each of these ones you have some information that you can read. For example, you can complete an easy from 1 to 10 minute surveys and you're going to earn points. You have this one here that you can earn $3 and so on, and you can just check them out by yourself and click on the start button, and you're going to see what you need to do. On the watch section, you can watch videos. Actually, you can even see some information what you're going to get paid and what kind of videos you can watch. There are some cooking videos, some trailers and so on. Very fun videos that you can watch. You can get entertained and get paid. Just click on the start button for each of them. And on the offers section, you also have some offers that you need to complete. For example, you can download some apps, you can play some games and so on. So I highly recommend that you even use your phone in order to complete these tasks, because in order to play games you need to use your phone, for example, and by doing this you can even maximize your results and make even more money by doing some other offers and tasks as well. So this was another tip that I wanted to give you. So I have another thing that I want to show you. You have the invite friends section over here, which means that you can maximize your earnings by even inviting new people over here. You can just get your code over here, your referral code, and you can go over to some make money online forums or make money online groups on social media if you want to find people that are interested in just using Zoombucks in order to make money for themselves, and you're going to get paid from 500 points and up to 1000 of points, and of course you can redeem those for money, and that's why it's a good way to maximize your results and make money in passive income. So it depends on you if you want to put effort into this. So another thing and the last thing I want to show you actually is the leaderboard. You can go over here on leaderboard to see the people that are making the most money. You have top users over here, and the number one user has made more than $700. The second one $300, and so on. So once again, it means that it depends on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this strategy to get the desired results. You can take in consideration all of the tips and tricks that I gave you before to make the most money out of this website. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.